Hi friends, welcome to the world of KOZA robots. This is our KOZA's latest robotic automation unit we developed for CNC loading and unloading. It consists of a 6-axis high-speed industrial robot, the gripper, the automated feeding system, and the master control system inside. You will see this robotic arm, we can switch from front to back directly and from back to front directly without turning. So it's very fast. It is widely used in CNC loading and unloading applications. KOZA robots are sold worldwide. Great.